Now here we have two equations, 7x minus 2y equal to 5xy and 8x plus 7y equal to 5xy. Now how is this equation different from the rest? The difference is this is the equation has xy. None of the earlier equations has x into y. They had x or y but not x into y. So my first step is to get rid of this xy. For this I divide the equation by xy. Divide, I call this equation 1 and equation 2. I divide equation 1 and 2 by xy, which means this I need to divide by xy, here also xy. So when I divide the first term by xy, this will cancel out and I will get here 7 over y. 7 over y. In the second step again I will divide by xy, the y will cancel out and now I will get minus 2 over x. Here I'll divide by xy and both will cancel out and I will get here equal to 5. Same thing here, I divide the whole equation by xy, the first term by xy, the second term by xy and the third term is also divided by xy. So when I divide the first term by xy, it will cancel out. This will cancel out and I will get now 8 over y plus here I will have my y cancelling out. I'll have 7 over x and here xy will cancel and I will now get equal to 15. Now this new equation that I've got, I'll call this equation 3 and this as 4. And now I proceed by the normal method of separating the coefficient from the variable. So 7 is the coefficient, my variable is 1 by y. In this case 2 is the coefficient, variable 1 by x equals to 5. Here 8 coefficient, variable 1 by y plus 7 coefficient, variable 1 by x, and that is equal to 15. Now let 1 by y be equal to, say I put it q as we normally do, but you can also put it as p, and let 1 by x be equal to p. So now this turns, so now this in this equation wherever there is 1 by y I will put as q and wherever there is 1 by x I will put as p. So on substituting for p and q, that's what I get. So my equations now turn out as 7q minus 2p equals 5, 8q plus 7p equals 15. Let's examine, let's take the LCM. This time I'm going to equate for p. So if you see, this is 2 and this is 7, so I will take LCM of 2 and 7, which is 14, which means my first equation 7p minus 2p equal to 15. Remember I'm equating for p. I need to multiply 2, so I need to multiply this by 7, and for my next equation, that is 8q plus 7p equals 15. I'm equating for p, so I need to multiply this by 2. We go ahead and multiply, so 7 into 7 is 49p. So here it's not 40, it is 49q minus 14p equals 35. Here 2 into 8 is 16q plus 7 into 2 14p equals 15 into 2 30. We'll put this as equation, we'll put this equation 3, put equation 4. Now we will add equation 3 plus equation 4. So we have 49q minus 14p equals 35, and here 16q plus 14p equals 30. We are adding these equations, equation 3 and equation 4. Adding means we don't have to change the sign. So this cancels out, and we don't have to change the sign because minus 14 plus 14 will already cancel out. So when you add this, you get 64 5q equal to 65. So q equals 65 over 65. Q equals 1. Now we go ahead and find out the value of p. To find the value of p, this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. We will take up equation 1 and substitute the values. So here we take equation 1, which is 7q minus 3p equal to 5. Now we know our q is 1, so for the q I will put 1. So we have minus 2p equals 5. So minus 2p equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2p minus 2. So p equal to 1. So here we found p as 1 and q also as 1. If we go back and see what had we taken p and q, we took q as 1 by y and we took p as 1 by x. So for p I will put 1 by x equal to 1. So x will be 1, and for q we took 1 by y, which is equal to 1, so y equal to 1. So the answer, x equals 1, y equals 1.